You are not, your voice is not audible, Sai. Hi Bhaskar, how are you?
Hello, Shadab. Yeah, fine.
Hi Pavan, how are you?
Hi, sir. Fine. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Shrikant, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir.
Hari, how are you?
Yeah,
I'm fine.
All are
earphones,
here, right?
earphones, sir.
Mhm.
Yes, I think.
Earphones. Hmm. Sundara Babu.
Hi, so today we are going to start mock interview. Okay, whatever we have covered so far, and we will discuss same kind of topics. Okay, so I will start one by one questions.
Yes, Baba. Half an hour. Hmm? Mhm.
Okay, I'm just going to start. I will ask a question. You have to reply me back one by one. Okay,
Okay.
so I will start from Sai. Sai,
I, yeah, is it audible now, sir?
yeah, it is audible now.
Hello?
Yeah, it is audible now.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay, so I will ask first question to Bhaskar. Bhaskar, can you please tell me what is cloud?
Cloud is remote control of database
Mm-hmm.
that a company no need to maintain a database at premises, and the company don't know where the database is actually the storage.
Okay, Sai, can you please tell me what is cloud?
Yeah, it's storing data or applications on remote server.
Mm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pavan.
Yes, sir. Cloud is the completely remote control. So we can access wherever server we have.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't maintain any. Uh, I mean, actually we don't need any. We don't need maintain any network admins and also staff and all. So we can connect remotely wherever we have servers. Cloud.
Okay, Hari, please tell me what is cloud?
Cloud is a data store center.
Mm-hmm.
We can use anywhere at the time. We
Mm-hmm.
connect our local mission cloud at a time. We can use cloud data center anywhere at a time.
Okay, so Shrikant.
Yeah. So cloud is a okay.
Yeah, think, no problem.
Access. Can I tell, sir?
No. When I will ask a question, then you
Okay,
have to reply back. Okay.
fine, sir.
I'm asking to Shrikant. Shrikant, can you
Yeah,
please
okay.
tell me what is cloud?
So cloud is a completely. So we don't have any staff and we don't have any server machines. So we can access everywhere and just by through laptop only. So that is called cloud.
Mm-hmm. Rahul, can you please tell me what is cloud?
Cloud is storage of data we can access anywhere by using internet, and it is have security. Uh,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Sai, I want to ask you a question. What are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center?
Uh, on-premise infrastructure, we collect data from directly from people, like in various method steps.
What are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center? Feel as a friend, okay? Don't, hesitate and don't be a shy. And if you don't know question, If you don't know the answers, say clearly that I did not prepare for that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not getting.
Okay, fine. Pawan, can you please tell me what are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center?
Actually, I don't know, sir, but I'll try.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So on-premise data center, we can use and we can share our data center multiple people, and cloud data center we can use privately, and it will not disturb any traffic outside and inside.
Okay, Shrikant, what are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center?
Sir, actually, I don't know, sir. I haven't prepared.
Okay. Hari, what are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center?
Premise data center, it is owned by our own people.
Mm-hmm.
Center is owned by cloud AWS server people.
Okay, correct. In single line definition. Mm-hmm. And Rahul, can you explore about these terms, on-premise data center and cloud data center? Uh, am I audible?
Yes, sir, I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Okay. Bhaskar, please tell me what are the differences between on-premise data center and cloud data center?
Mainly we can differentiate because of location. On-premises data will maintained by company itself in their own data own place, and cloud server is not maintained by company, and it is maintained by some other third parties in some other places, not in company premises.
Company.
And and we can do differentiate based on support also.
Okay.
On premises, a company everything will support itself only.
Okay.
And on cloud, we have three kinds of differences, right? Three kind of services: infrastructure service, service, software service, and one more thing. So based on this, we can differentiate on-premises state and cloud.
Okay. Anything you want to explain more?
No,
No, right?
if you want, I will definitely explain.
Okay.
But it will take more time.
Okay. Okay. So can you please tell me cloud computing model, Pawan?
Service model and deployment model.
Okay. Okay, Pawan. Anything else you want to explain?
Yeah, service model is nothing but in like virtual mission, and these are the comes in service model. It's a differentiate with two types. One is not two types. Service model we can divide it into multiple parts. One is IaaS, infrastructure as a service, and SaaS, software as a service,
Okay.
and PaaS, platform as a service.
Okay. And
And
deployment model?
deployment model is the QA environment and monitor. These are the comes under to the cloud computing model.
Yes, Bhaskar, please explain about a cloud computing model.
I'll definitely explain. Thanks. And there are two types of you can differentiate one thing like service model as well as deployment model. In the service model, we have three kinds of services provided. One thing is infrastructure as a service, and premises as a service, or and third one is software as a service.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sure second one is wrong. It is something different.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to the deployment model, we have three types of clouds: private cloud, public cloud, and hybrid cloud.
Okay.
Three comes under deployment model
Mm-hmm.
in brief.
Anything you want to explain, Bhaskar, about these?
I have done with my notes part.
Okay. Hari, please. What is cloud computing model? Shrikant, sorry. Shrikant, can you please tell me what is cloud computing model?
Actually, I don't know, sir.
Okay, fine. And Hari,
I have not prepared, sir, but
okay. Okay, fine. Rahul,
Sir.
can you please explain about cloud computing model?
Sir.
Okay, fine. Sai,
The service model and deployment model.
correct.
Service model, infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and some I didn't recall. Yeah, in deployment model, three are there: private sector, public sector, and deployment model. I mean, private
Okay.
mode, yeah,
Can you
hybrid model.
you want to explain anything more about cloud computing model?
Yeah, we can access anywhere. We can like via internet. We can access the we can store our data via internet,
Mm-hmm.
being in any region through
Mm-hmm.
cloud computing.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
yes.
Anything else?
Sir,
Anything else you want to explain?
yeah, I need to learn more actually.
Okay, fine,
Yeah.
fine. Yes, Bhaskar, can you please explain about infrastructure as a service?
And it is like traditional IT only. Like mostly will uh, same as on-premises system as well as infrastructure service, because everything will at the supported by the at the premises, I think so. So they'll provide only infrastructure, all the required steps in applications, runners, servers, and databases, network. Everything will at the it's like traditional IT only.
Like or it is exactly traditional?
It's exactly not exactly,
It is
exactly,
exactly. Okay.
exactly. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Uh, Pavan, can you please explain about infrastructure as a service?
Infrastructure as a service model, they will provide everything, and data center and services they will provide, and we don't need to maintain any servers. They will provide everything like a traditional, and we maintain only domains
Mm-hmm.
like that.
Domains means?
Domains means our source.
Okay. Okay. Shrikant, uh, infrastructure as a service, do you have idea?
Yeah, sir. Infrastructure, the every IT company it is required, but it is heavy cost and maintain the server. No need to down.
Mm-hmm.
So it is
Okay. Hari, uh, can you please explain about infrastructure as a service?
infrastructure as a service, we will maintain all data servers, all staff. Want to maintain particular stuff in the data centers. Which time you are use that time we use the data centers. That's also.
Okay. Rahul, can you please explain about infrastructure as a service?
Infrastructure as a service or online service that has a high level network infrastructure
Mm-hmm.
like computing,
Okay. Okay, Rahul. Sai,
Yes, sir.
uh,
We don't need to maintain private servers, network, all these things we can access through cloud computing only. I mean, online via.
mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
Bhaskar, platform as a service.
I'm not sure exactly, but there are only certain things only provided by the cloud. Certain things need to maintain the premises only. Like as per my knowledge, there are applications, runners, and the things we need to maintain at premises. They should be maintained by premises only, and remaining things will provided by the cloud server, cloud provider.
Okay. Pawan, platform as a service.
Yeah, platform as a service, we can use the platform only. They will host our website or whatever we maintain our source code, and remaining all those things, infrastructure and data center, everything we will only maintain.
We will maintain or cloud provider will maintain.
We will use the platform. We will use their platform to host the our website and all.
Mhm.
The remaining network admins and all we can maintain, and source code also we can maintain.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. Shrikant, platform as a service.
Yeah, sir. I don't have any.
Okay, fine. Hari, Hari is in meeting, right? Hari.
Platform as a service, we should maintain our own infrastructures.
Mm-hmm.
A server that will maintain our cloud peoples.
Okay. Rahul.
Platform as a service provider hosts the hardware and software by our own its own infrastructure,
Mm-hmm.
third party.
Okay. Sai.
Platform to yeah.
Do you have idea?
No, I mean,
No idea. Okay, fine. Software as a service, Bhaskar. What exactly mean of software as a service, Bhaskar?
Everything will provided by the cloud provider only. No need to maintain anything, including applications. Everything will provided by the cloud provider.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Can you give any example, Bhaskar?
Like Google Drive, you can say,
Okay.
or
Any
else
anything else?
you can mention next one recall that.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay, fine. Pawan, what exactly mean of software as a service?
Yeah, software as a service. There are many types of service they are maintaining. So we can access we can access their services. We can put a request to use their services. Like I want to send a mails, so multiple members, like not only one. The bulk of mails I want to send. So in my company staff. So
Mhm.
these are the services they are maintaining. I can access that services and I can utilize,
Mhm.
and there are multiple services they are maintaining. We can easily access and we can easily use the services which they are maintaining. Everything they are maintaining, like services. Sir, your voice is not audible. Sir, please unmute. Yeah.
Yeah, please, Pawan.
Service as a, software as a services, we can access their services. I want to send a mails, bulk of mails. and I want to I didn't remember actually. There are multiple services they are maintaining. We can use their services to our platform.
Can you give me any example, Pawan?
Yeah, one example I can I'll tell you. So I want to send mails in our in my company in many employees, like 365 software. I don't know the software name. So
Mm-hmm.
example I'm telling, like
Okay.
yeah, 365 software is there. So we
Mhm.
can bulk of messages and mails we can send by using that software. These are the software they are maintaining. So we can use that softwares and we can utilize.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Srikanth, can you please tell about a software as a service?
Yeah, software is purely, I mean, one company developed some features. So if you want to utilize that, features or specifications, you need to buy a license. Like suppose if you in Google Drive, we have only 15 GB storage. If you want to put the more data, so you need to buy some storage. Like it is a Google software. So if you
Mm-hmm.
want to send some bulk of mails, and if you want to use some software, and so the company provided some software. So
Can
if
you
you
give
want,
me example?
yeah, first of all, Google Drive,
Okay.
and I think
Anyone else? Anything else?
suppose some companies will send bulk of messages at a time in users at a time
Apart from Google Drive,
Hmm.
any other example you can give me about a software as a service?
I think I don't know, sir.
Oh, okay, fine. Hari, can you please tell me about a software as a service?
Software as a service completely maintained by software AWS people, cloud computing people.
Mm-hmm.
In that, we are using particular service in our local machine like EC2 instance. We are using that instance in our local machine. We are using some connecting tools like PuTTY and other extra tools.
Okay. Rahul, can you please tell me about software as a service? What exactly
Software as
meaning
a
of software as a service?
software as a service is a cloud-based
Mm-hmm.
method of providing software for the users to use.
Mm-hmm. Yes, Rahul. Okay, fine. Sai, can you please tell me about software as a service?
We can use the services provided by the cloud for servers, storage, and we can use the storage up to whatever extent we want. Like, yeah, 1 GB, 2 GB, like how much data required for the
Mm-hmm.
storage, we can use it.
Okay.
Which type of instance type, like
Okay, so Bhaskar, can you please tell me about a public cloud?
Public cloud is like accessed by anyone. It's like open source of sometimes it can be free also.
Mm-hmm.
Like it will be very reasonable, or you can say cheap price, as well as sometimes it's free to access,
Mm-hmm.
and it can access by everyone.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, there's no restrictions to access.
Okay. Okay. So, if I want to make a publicly accessible my environment, for example,
Okay.
I have a website and I want to
Oh,
host my website in AWS, right? And I
okay.
want to give access to everyone. So, what will be the steps to give access for everyone? First,
Uh,
tell me about that service name and then explain about it.
I didn't get the question actually.
For example,
Okay.
I have a virtual machine, okay, in
Okay.
AWS EC2 virtual machine. My
Okay.
virtual machine is a Linux virtual machine. And
Okay.
I set up my Java application on that virtual machine. And I want to allow to everyone to access that website. So
Okay.
what I have to do for this, tasks? Are you getting my point, Bhaskar?
Yes, I got it.
Oh.
It means everyone should access your virtual machine, right? Simply.
Yes.
So, as per my understanding, we have to make it public. I don't know.
How we will make a public? Just
Software as a service.
Okay. Anything else?
uh,
Pavan, can you please tell me about a public cloud?
Yes, sir, but I don't know deeply, so I'll tell you. So public as public private, we can keep our source code as a public. Everyone can access, and that is not secure for our source code.
Okay.
So anyone can destroy our source code. So that is not secure.
Okay.
There are multiple. There are three steps are there. We can maintain securely.
Okay, I don't want to interrupt you, but I want to ask you a simple question. How you will allow to everyone to access your website or your, code, as you said? For example, you written a website and
Yes.
your website is in AWS. You want to allow to everyone. For example, Facebook, right? www.facebook.com. So we can see to the Facebook. Everyone
Yes.
can see to the Facebook, right?
Yes.
How you will allow to access your website to everyone? This is the question, Pavan. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. I got it.
What step I have to follow?
We can. I think I don't know, but Route 50, we can purchase a domain.
Okay.
One IP address is there,
Okay.
so we can put the IP address in the public cloud. Public cloud.
Okay.
Through public cloud, we can give our domain name like www.org, www.com.
Okay.
Through they can access through they can enter our public.
You are close to answer, but I'm asking about in your virtual machine configuration.
Yes.
Right? If www.example.com or abc.com, it is for everyone. It will map with your IP address. You are saying absolutely correct. You are close to answer. But I'm asking related to the virtual machine, how you will allow in virtual machine.
Data center?
That part is correct. You said that domain name we have to map with the IP address, right?
Yes.
But I'm asking about a virtual machine site. Okay, fine. Shrikant, do you have idea about public cloud?
Yeah, sir, but I have idea, but not deeply. So public cloud means, suppose I have one small company, I have some projects. So if you want to maintain the data, so it's a very huge budget. So at that time we need to, so we want to go some AWS cloud or Azure cloud, like that only. So in my entire data, I will keep that cloud only. So we can purchase the license, and I can keep the cloud computing like AWS and Azure, Alibaba, like that servers. These are the public clouds. It is some are licensable, and some of cloud will give some days free of cost. Like AWS given, so 12 months of free cost. After that, we need to purchase some license.
Okay. My question is, Shrikant, that if I'm going to host my website either on Windows or in a Linux server, so how will I will allow to everyone to access my website?
We need to buy some domain or something, one IP address. So we need to give our employees.
Okay, Hari, can you please tell me about a public cloud and how we will allow our website to everyone?
Public cloud is on-demand services. You can use anywhere. On public cloud, you can use anywhere, any members, because we want IP address.
Okay. Correct. Absolutely correct. But I'm asking related to the virtual machines configuration. A public cloud accessible for everyone, right?
Everyone.
But I'm asking about a virtual machine configuration. We already discussed, right, Hari? If you
Yes.
remember, everybody remember, we already discussed these kind of stuffs. We did not
Because
complete
of
the
one
practical,
IP
but yeah. Please
one
go ahead.
one IP address, sir.
Yeah, IP address.
And that we are accessing.
Okay.
Everyone access that IP address.
Okay. Rahul, can you please tell me what is public cloud? And
Public cloud is used and managed and operated by the business and
Mhm,
government organizations by
mhm.
the combination of Elastic Cloud EC2,
Okay.
Azure Cloud.
Sai, can you please tell me about public cloud and how we will allow to everyone?
Any user can access through uh, IP address and password. We will create a key which is very different from. Yeah, we will create some key
Okay,
file.
fine.
Key file.
Yes, Bhaskar, can you please tell me about security group?
I think it was discussed yesterday, right? I didn't prepare much.
Oh, okay, fine.
And as per my knowledge, we have to set I think RDS and TC servers. RDS server key. I think key pair. I'm not sure.
Okay. Pavan, security group.
The security group is nothing but we can set the firewalls, no one can enter.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's it. I don't know.
That's it in single line definition, right?
Yeah.
We can set a firewalls. Okay. Okay, fine. Shrikant, do you have idea about security group?
I don't know, sir, actually.
Okay, fine. Hari?
No, yes.
Okay, fine. Rahul? Rahul.
Unmute.
Unmute your mic, Rahul.
Acts as a firewall for the EC2.
Mm-hmm.
That's Elastic Cloud.
Okay, Sai.
We have a security password for file create.
Security password. Anything else you want to tell?
Nothing.
Okay, fine. So private cloud, can you explain, Bhaskar?
Private cloud is like accessible, for authorized persons only, and it is very, you can expensive compared to the public cloud,
Mhm.
and there are limited access to the company, and yeah, I think that there are 2 points we can differentiate from public cloud: access as well as price.
Okay. Anything else?
No, that's fine.
No. Okay, fine. Pavan, private cloud.
Yeah, private cloud, it's compared to public cloud. Private cloud is a costlier to maintain,
Mm-hmm.
and private cloud no one can access. Only admin people who are can credentials, can authorize people can only access the private cloud.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, private cloud. That's it. Actually, I know.
Okay. Okay, fine.
We can securely maintain our source code in that private cloud.
Okay.
Only authorized people can access the private cloud only.
Only the source code, or we can secure our, other resources like database and website and
Everything we can maintain, not only source code,
uh,
everything we can maintain in the private cloud. It's compared to public cloud, is very costly, and authorized people only can access the private cloud
oh.
who have credentials.
Mm-hmm. Anything else you want to tell?
Nothing, that's it.
Okay, fine. Shrikant.
Yeah. So private cloud is completely difference between public cloud. It is only maintained by the company people only. So it is a very costlier and no need to go down the server. So we can maintain the server heavily, keep highly. So the server won't go down. Okay. So the company people only maintain the server. So they put some source code and database and the company information all are maintained by the admin team only. So who are the owner? That person so only accessible that private cloud. So it is not a public. So no one access that cloud. Okay.
Okay.
Only company people only access that cloud only.
Anything else you want to tell, Hari? Okay, Shrikant. Hari.
Public code anyone access. In private cloud, only some authorized person will access.
Okay.
That means in public code, everyone use that source code. In private cloud, only particular users can use source code in storage. Only some authorized person will use only private code. Private cloud.
Okay, fine. Rahul, private cloud. Can you please explore about private cloud?
Private cloud provides high level security for the data.
Okay. Yes, please try if you have correct knowledge. Okay, fine. Sai, can you please tell?
It is cost effective and it is maintained by the
Cost
company.
effective?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is maintained by the company only in their own data centers, like their own.
Okay.
Yes. They have their own security.
Okay, fine. Bhaskar, hybrid cloud. What exactly mean of hybrid cloud and how the company maintain hybrid kind of environment?
We can say like this. It is combination of public and private clouds. We can do on premises as well as cloud provider. I mean, like we can say like it can access by sometimes everyone, and it access to for only for other people. Like it's combination of public and private cloud. You can simply like, and it's like very expensive compared to the both public and private cloud, because they need to we need to provide more kind of support to for hybrid cloud in terms of features. And there is a easy if you want to turn from on premises to the cloud. The hybrid cloud is very useful to we can suggest to the client to use this hybrid cloud if you want to move if you want to switch between the on premises and the clouds.
Okay, fine. Yes, Pawan. What exactly mean of hybrid cloud?
Yeah, hybrid cloud is combination of private cloud and public cloud. And also, it's medium cost to compare to private cloud.
Okay.
And one more, in hybrid cloud, we can give the access anyone can access, and also we can set some restrictions.
Okay.
And also, as per my knowledge, in hybrid cloud we can set the 2 steps. First steps anyone can access. Second step we can restrict the people who are having authorized people can access the second step.
Okay.
Second step. I don't know the names. Yeah. Compared to both, hybrid cloud is very useful to access, and we can give the access to clients.
Okay, fine. Shrikant, what exactly mean of hybrid cloud?
Yeah, hybrid cloud is a combination of private cloud and public cloud. So the public cloud it is a open source and you can access everyone. So But hybrid cloud, we can give some restriction. Hybrid cloud, we can give some restriction to users. So this kind of features you need to use like that only.
Okay.
Don't know exactly. So
Mhm.
that's it.
Hari, please. Hybrid cloud.
Hybrid cloud is a combination of public and private cloud. In public cloud, anyone uses. In private cloud, only some authorized persons only we can use. In an hybrid cloud, we can put some restrictions to public users and as well as authorized users. Only some part of will download it from private hybrid cloud.
Mhm.
That's all.
Okay. Rahul.
I don't.
You don't know, okay? Sai.
It's a combination of public cloud and private cloud.
Mhm.
That's it.
Anything else? Okay. Now I want to ask you the full forms. So far we have discussed. This is
Yeah.
very easy, right? So start from Bhaskar. What AWS stands for?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay. Pavan, AWS stands for?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay. Shrikant, AWS stands for?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay. Hari? Hari.
Amazon Web Services.
And Rahul?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay. Sai?
Amazon Web Services.
Okay, fine. And EBS stands for Bhaskar?
Elastic Block Storage.
Sorry?
Elastic Block Storage.
Confirm?
Elastic Block Storage. Block 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 storage.
I'm asking, you are confirm?
Yes, confirm.
Okay, fine. Mhm. Pavan, EBS stands for?
Elastic Block Storage. It's right.
Elastic Block Storage. Confirm?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, fine. Shrikant, EBS.
Elastic block storage.
Okay. Hari,
Elastic Block Storage.
Elastic Block Store. Okay, fine. Rahul,
Elastic Block Stores.
Elastic Block Store. Okay. Sai,
Elastic Block Store.
Elastic Block Store. Okay, what is EBS? Bhaskar now explain about it.
It's like what hard disk like in virtual machine.
Okay.
No, we can access without device support. I think so. Up to 30 GB data if it's free account,
Mm-hmm.
and we can increase this GB if you storage by
Okay.
paying amount.
Okay, let it be. Bhaskar, tell me about AMI. Stands for
Amazon Machine Image.
Amazon Machine Image. Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Pavan. Pavan, you are on mute.
Identity.
AMI.
I don't know.
Okay, fine. Shrikant, AMI.
I don't know, sir.
Okay. Hari,
Amazon Mission Image.
Amazon Machine Image.
Image.
Rahul,
Amazon Machine Image.
Amazon Machine Image. And Sai.
Amazon Machine Image.
Okay, fine. Let it close here because it is a very, very basic mock interview. And I want to give you result. And what you have to do in interview, first of all, you should keep in your mind whenever you are going for interview. So first prepare well about the topics. right? In two terms related to the theory. See, cracking interview is a first part. Cracking interview is a first part, and it is a skill to crack interview. Second skill, work in a company. That is the other part. Okay. So, for example, in interview, interviewer maybe ask you a lot questions from a lot topics. But whenever you are going to work in a company, your task is very small and limited tasks. Why always interview conducted? Because they want to know about yourself, what kind of knowledge you have about that topic. In two terms, you have to gain a knowledge. First thing, you should understand well about a topic. Okay. Second thing, that topic you have to complete your own in a practical way, so that you have an idea about how to work on that particular service or particular topic. These two things you have to keep in your mind. Third thing about the interview, if you have 100% confident that you have to give answer with confidence. If you have a doubt in a topic, that you have to say, hey, I know a little bit, I want to explain if you will allow to me, because I have a doubt in this topic. Okay, this is other term. If you are not confident, say, as per my understanding, I want to give answer if you will allow to me. This is another way, right? And in interview, don't be confident if you are wrong or you have a doubtful. This is very bad. You don't know about a topic and you are a confident. This is very dangerous. In first interview, you will out to the interview. If you have a confidence and you are giving answer in a wrong way or wrong information you are providing. I want to say you, Pavan. First of all, I want to tell you, Pavan, you have a good confidence, okay, to give answer.
Yes.
This is your plus point. But sometimes you are totally wrong in answer. Are you getting my point, Pavan?
Yes. Yes, sir.
You have a confidence. This is good thing, but you are giving answer wrong in some time. If you are doubtful in a question, say, I have a doubt, I want to explain. If the interviewer will allow to you, yes, you can explain, then you can explain.
Okay.
Otherwise, not explain. Okay?
Yes.
Pavan, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhaskar have a lot of qualities here. Bhaskar, sometime you are wrong. For example, infrastructure as a service, you gave a wrong answers two times in an infrastructure as a service. But you have a good thing. Whenever you are in doubtful, you are saying, as per my knowledge, right? As per my knowledge. This is the good point for your, you have a plus point here. Okay. Most of the time you was correct. Most of the time you was correct. If I will, hire for, startup company, for example, I'm owner for a startup company or I'm interviewer for a startup company, I will hire you, Bhaskar, because you have around 70% correct answers. Okay. And Pavan,
Yes, sir.
you have around 50% answer correct, but most of the time you have a confidence. This is a good point. You have a correct answer around a 50%, but you have a confidence with wrong answers. This is very dangerous for you. I
Okay.
will I will not hire you due to your wrong confidence. Okay, are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So if you are wrong, what you have to do, Pavan? If you are wrong, so what do you have to do that time?
I can say I don't know the topic. As per my knowledge, I can, if you allow me, I can say.
Yes, correct. Shrikant, around 30% you was correct. Shrikant,
Okay.
around 30%, but I won't hire you. You have a less confidence. You have to remove l- confidence, less confidence. How you will remove? Once you will read the topic well, you will do practice your own, then you will get a confidence. Okay, but good thing, if you won't have correct knowledge, you clearly say, I don't know. This is the good point. But every time if you will say, I don't know, obviously nobody will hire you. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
You have around a 30% correct answers, but I won't hire you. And second thing, you have a less confidence. So how we will remove this, things? You have to read a lot about a topic. You have to complete practical your own, hands-on your own. Then you will get a confidence. Plus point for you. If you don't have a knowledge about a topic, clearly you say, I don't know. I don't know. Correct. Okay. And Hari, you have around a 30% correct answers, but I won't hire you, obviously. If you have a 70 or 75% or 80% correct answers, then I will hire you. Are you getting my point, Hari? You are on unmute.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you have a lot of hesitation to explain about a topic due to less knowledge of topic. Please, I want to request you, read a lot, practice yourself, okay,
Yes.
and complete your hands-on and practicals. Whenever you will complete your hands-on and practical your own, then you will get a confidence and you will be you know good knowledge on that topic. Okay, Rahul, especially I want to say you, please read the topics, complete hands-on and practicals, and go through very well about the topics. um, I think you joined from first day, Rahul,
Yes,
or
sir.
you join in between.
No, first day.
You are not giving time to topics apart from session time or class time. Are you spending your time on our topics, Rahul? How many hours you are giving apart from class time? Yeah, feel friend now. Okay, tell me, Rahul, you are giving time to topics? No, right? Oh, why are you hesitating here? We are friend now. I'm not interviewer this time. Okay, so please give a time to your topic. Okay, from today onwards, read the videos, and if you are not able to understand, read video again and again, view video again and again, again and again. No one is perfect in this world until or unless you will give a time to that topic. Nothing is difficult. If you are giving your time, spending your time on that topic, so you will get confidence, you will get clarity on that topic. Okay, so please give a time. This is my request, Rahul. Okay, Sai, you was around 25% correct, Sai, but many times you are in danger because you are giving answer in a totally wrong answer, and you give answer.
I will.
Sai, are you
Uh,
getting my point?
yes, sir. I will.
25% you was correct. Rahul was correct around 10%. Rahul was correct 10%. Sai was correct around 20 to 25%. But you have to brush up a lot. All of you, I want to request you, brush up your topics, read again and again videos, complete hands-on and practical your own. I didn't ask you a lot of technical things. I just asked only the theory parts, whatever we have covered so far. But this is not a good sign for everyone. Um, Please, I want to request you, please complete your hands-on, complete your practical, see the videos again and again. Okay? And anything, if you want to suggest to me to improve myself and you are not able to understand the topic, then I will improve myself also. You can suggest me, Bhaskar. As a friend, you can suggest me.
I think this is the first interview, so I cannot suggest much about you. And let's see in the next interview if you think I can suggest
So
something.
far, so far, you are able to understand the topics, whatever we are taking.
Yes, I have a suggestion for that in terms of topics.
Hmm.
Uh, you know, if I'm not wrong, you're not explaining examples in, I mean, like general examples what we can catch up easily topics, because I'm from non-financial background. I mean, you're from financial background, right? No, not technical background.
Mhm.
So it's hard to understand sometimes of terminology or topics.
Okay.
So if you connect with the general knowledge, I mean, no, like the State Bank of India website or some website, it's even easy to connect me understanding myself.
Oh, okay,
That
fine.
is the only feedback. I don't have any other concerns in terms
Thank
of
you. Thank you so
explaining,
much. Thank you so much.
because your voice is very clear and very we can it's like singing song only.
Okay, Pawan, do you want to suggest anything?
It's perfect. I am understanding everything for what you are saying, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And it's better to explain to me only, not others. To
Mm-hmm.
me, it's better to explain in diagrams
Diagram.
wise, like
Okay. Okay.
MS Paint.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Shrikant.
No, sir. I don't have any.
Okay, Hari.
Yes. No.
No, right? Rahul, you want to suggest anything?
Explain in basic examples, right?
Okay, basic example, live example.
Yes.
You mean to say, right?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And Sai.
Yeah, you are perfect, sir. But as I am very new to this topic, I need to learn more actually and
Okay.
practice. That's
Okay. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much. You give me a time, your precious time, right? So we have to improve lot of things. Okay. Always we should think ourselves that we have to learn something and we have to improve something. If somebody is giving us our, drawbacks, so we have to remove that drawbacks. We should try to remove that drawback, right? Okay. Thank you so much for your time. So from Monday onwards, we will start classes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shadab, for the nice today.
Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Yeah,
Take
bye,
care,
take care.
everyone. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bye. Bye. Take care.
Bye, bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.